Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Task Manager with Ctrl plus Shift plus S so you can act fast. Once it appears, click More Details to expand. This reveals memory usage and process names. Make sure to sort by memory so the largest consumers bubble to the top. As you scan, identify any user apps or background processes you recognize versus system-critical services. You'll need that distinction for safe termination, so take a quick mental note before proceeding to stop or manage those entries. You now focus on reducing memory by ending safe processes. First, select a non-essential, high-memory process and click End Task. Do this one at a time so you can confirm stability. If a process is unknown, right-click and choose Open File Location or Search Online before killing it. Once done, open Resource Monitor from Performance tab to inspect memory, commit size, and handles for stubborn items. This lets you identify memory leaks or services that need a restart rather than termination. To finish, restart any apps or services you ended so resources reset cleanly. You'll avoid orphan processes that still hold memory. If memory remains high, reboot the system to clear cached RAM safely and restore normal operation. Make sure to update drivers and run system checks like SFC or DISM if you suspect corruption. If things go wrong and the system becomes unstable, reboot into safe mode and revert recent changes. This single troubleshooting tip will help you recover without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.